Hey there, it's Christmas time here in Southwest Florida. It's a beautiful day today. It's upper 70s, low humidity. It's a perfect day to wear my Florida Santa Claus shirt right here. And it's a great day for me to showcase one of my brand new listings here. And this is one of the best properties I've had listed in a long time. I can't wait to show it to you. Obviously, we're on a huge lake right here. This is a beautiful property, tons of upgrades, super large lot here in the northwest section of Cape Coral. And I just can't wait to show this to you. So let's get right into it. First, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do a video like this every week on this channel about Cape Coral and Southwest Florida. Sometimes we're looking at great homes like this one. Other times I'm just giving you really useful information about Southwest Florida. So especially if you're moving to the area, make sure you're subscribed so you can catch these videos every week. Welcome to 1219 Northwest 20th Place here in Cape Coral, Florida. This is a 2016 built concrete block home on over a third of an acre of water frontage. It features 3 bedrooms plus a den/office and a bonus room, 2 full bathrooms, and 2,615 square feet of living area inside, plus a 3-car attached garage, an absolutely stunning screened-in pool and outdoor living space, plus a pavered and seawalled waterfront living space as well on a large freshwater lake and canal system. And there are just so many upgrades in this house that you have to take a look at. I just love this walk-up entryway. I do want to mention that this property is not in the AE flood zone in spite of being on the water, so no flood insurance will be required here. And on top of all of that, all the windows and the doors in this house are hurricane impact resistant, so that means no shutters are needed, and there are a ton of discounts to be had on homeowners insurance. So we walk through these beautiful double front doors into this entryway, and this space makes for a great transition into this wide open front living room right here. We'll take a look more at that in a second, but immediately to the right of the front entry here is a set of French doors that goes into the den, or in this case, the office. And this room has a good sized closet in it, so it would easily be a 4th bedroom up here in the front. And that office flows out into this main living room, and believe it or not, this is one of 2 huge living rooms in this house. This one has big soaring tray ceilings, and it's really well lit not only by the extra recessed and fixture lights in here, but also that massive wall of sliding glass windows that brings all of that natural light in from the pool deck and the waterfront out back. And not only that, but this living room is nice and open to the impressive kitchen over here, and there are also just a ton of goodies in here as well. We've got this large central single-level bar that wraps around the outside and provides some extra seating. High-end granite countertops throughout, newer stainless steel appliances, and custom wood cabinetry with accent lighting underneath the uppers, plus a really nice backsplash. Back behind the kitchen is the entrance to the 3-car garage, but we also have an additional space here with more cabinet storage and another drink fridge. And the pantry is also back here. It's right behind me right now, but this is the laundry room. It's good size with the sink and extra cabinet storage. Moving further back in the house beyond the kitchen is the breakfast nook here, and once again, it's just surrounded by windows looking out over the pool deck and the waterfront out back. The builder here just did a really great job of making sure that the focal point of all of the main living areas of this house is that huge waterfront out back, and we're going to get out there soon enough. A quick stop to say hi to the kitty cat real quick, and then we come to this separated back living room. This is that second living space that I mentioned earlier in the video, and it too has a nice sitting area here with those really excellent waterfront views through the picture window and the double sliders out to the pool deck here. It's just another really great space in this house. And then you can see that barn door back there. That doorway leads into this really cool bonus room. It's a great little reading nook, or maybe a kid's playroom or a game room or something. And it also has all that natural light and the water views coming through that window from the back there. It's just a really unique and useful space here. Okay, let's jump over to the other side of the house and take a look at the primary suite. It's to the left as you walk in the front door, and it's just also really well done like everything else in here. The primary bedroom is really spacious. It has a ton of great light from the extra recessed lights, those upper transom windows up there, and another double slider which also provides access out to the outdoor living spaces and the waterfront out back. Not too bad of a view to wake up to every day, right? As we walk back towards the primary bath, there are double closets on either side of the hallway, and the walk-in closet on the right here is basically two closets in one just by itself. There's just a tremendous amount of space in here, and there's also an additional smaller closet on the other side of the hallway for extra storage. Now check out this primary bathroom. It's absolutely huge. We've got the big double vanity here with underhung sinks and counters and cabinets that match the kitchen. There's a big central garden tub positioned in front of this really stunning walk-behind shower. I hear people call these car wash showers. I guess that's because you walk in one side and walk out the other clean. But it's got that big rain head from the ceiling and two additional wall spouts and niches, and it's very private, but you still get all that natural light from the upper windows in here. Just an overall really well done primary bathroom. This is a split bedroom floor plan, so the guest wing of the house is on the other side of the home, just off the kitchen. And it starts with this guest bathroom, which also would service the main areas of the house. Then we have the two guest bedrooms, both of which are reasonably large, but maybe more importantly, both of them have really good-sized walk-in closets. There's really plenty of storage in this entire house. Also, I just love that all the interior doors are 8-footers in here. It just makes such a difference when you have big, tall ceilings everywhere like this house does. Okay, I know you've been waiting to see the outdoor living spaces in the waterfront, so let's go ahead and head out there and take a look at this incredible outdoor living space. This is just so stunning out here. It's so beautiful, it's so peaceful. First of all, I just love the wood-paneled ceilings in this under-truss space on the screen lanai. This area just has a perfect blend of shaded spaces up near the home and then areas around the pool where you can get full sunshine throughout most of the day. I think I'll just let this speak for itself for a moment. This is an electrically heated pool, and it has that nice sun shelf there. And it also has an incorporated spa here, which can be heated separately. That spa and this built-in gas fire pit here are just fantastic for some of the cooler winter nights that we have here in Southwest Florida. This is truly a year-round outdoor living space, and when you couple it with those incredibly serene lake views out back, it just takes it to a whole other level. Down on the actual waterfront, you can see this incredible pavered captain's walk, which runs the entire width of the house in the rear. And this is an incredible outdoor living space all unto itself. There's just a ton of room here to put like a tiki hut or some lounge chairs and an outdoor table and chairs or something like that. This does face the east over the lake, so I can only imagine how great it would be to sit out here in the morning, have some coffee, and watch that sunrise over the water like that. The home also comes with this great floating dock, which is perfect for a little boat or a jet ski or something like that. You know, this lake is connected to miles and miles of canals and other lakes, so there's a ton of waterways to explore and enjoy here. It's also great for kayaking and paddle boarding. It's really terrific for that. And keep in mind, this is Southwest Florida waterfront living, but this home is not in the AE flood zone, so it's never been close to being flooded during any of the hurricanes, and you won't have to carry flood insurance here even if you get a mortgage on this house. Couple that with the fact that this home sits on a fenced-in triple lot with over 1/3 of an acre of huge private spaces in the back for things like gardening, plus the fact that it just offers so many incredible upgrades like a whole house reverse osmosis water filtration system and a durable concrete tile roof that will last for another 30+ years. And you really don't have to settle for any compromises at this property. This is just an absolutely incredible and unique piece of property, and I promise you, you're not going to find anything like this in Southwest Florida at this under $700,000 price point. I'm just so privileged to be able to list a home like this. Homes like this just don't come around very often. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of this beautiful lakefront home here in the northwest section of Cape Coral. I certainly enjoyed showing it to you, and I enjoy anytime I get the chance to come over here and just hang out at this beautiful waterfront property. It's so peaceful back here. It's nice and quiet. The birds are in the background there. If you are interested in this property and you want to learn some more information about it, I do have a link to the listing down in the description of this video. Of course, my contact information is right there on the screen as well. You can call, text, or email me anytime. If you'd like to schedule a tour to come see this property, I'd love nothing more than to come back over here and show it to you. So get a hold of me, call, text, email, whatever it takes. Beyond that, if you did enjoy this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. It just helps me out. And make sure you subscribe so you can be around for these videos every single week. But on that note, I'll see you in the next video here in just a few days. Thanks for being here.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.